Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is talk a little bit about Cardano meme coins. So right now we are Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024, and a couple things have happened. So number one, Cardano has got up to a pretty good level. And we're talking about 200% on the year. So this was the bottom, around 33 cents. We were talking about it on the channel for a while. I really do believe we'll continue to go up. We're probably going to track sideways, but ultimately liquidity has flown into Bitcoin, then Cardano, and then now we are starting to see alts rise, and we finally have more alternative assets with Cardano, and specifically meme coins. So meme coins have been big with Solana, and now they've kind of crashed. So I've been tracking that for a while. But look at this. Snek has done very well, and I sold all my Snek, I'm not even kidding, guys, at the top. It was like around like right here. So I got rid of my Snek, and I picked up a little bit of Baby Snek. So not that I don't think that Snek will get to $1 billion in market cap. It's just I have to learn to take some profits. I didn't have a lot. I don't mess around too much with this. So I got a wallet connected here. And if you guys want to pick up some Cardano memes, you guys can definitely head over to DexHunter. This is a Dex aggregator. It's going to aggregate the top decentralized exchanges like MinSwap, Wing Riders, ViFi, and give you the best price. So a couple things to go over here. If you guys want, head over to the link tree. Okay, we'll bring you here at the end as well. Pick up a Tangem, protect your crypto with cold storage. But what's really cool about this link tree is I have a free Cardano mini course. Guys, click on this link. It's free. It's one of my Udemy courses. You can buy the Masterclass later if you want, but get the mini course because in there, I teach you step by step how to do similar things. So it's DexHunter. Open up the app, connect your wallet. So I do have a wallet connected, and I wanted to show you just the small position I have. So what I realized is that if Snek is at 600 mil in market cap, then Baby Snek, according to what I've seen on other chains, again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a moose. Keep that in mind. But what I saw around 6 mil market cap, and I've gotten in and out a few times already with this, if we have just like 3 to 5% the liquidity that has been put into Snek, this thing should be much higher. So we have other memes. You guys can toggle between all in memes here. But with Baby Snek, what do I have here? I don't have a lot. So I put in like, I've been in and out a few times, but I've got like 5 million of these tokens. It's already starting to shoot up a little bit. So if you are getting into this for fun, if you're speculating, guys, this is a meme coin. You shouldn't put everything in here. So I put a little bit in here. I believe we could potentially get to 15, 20 mil in market cap. My first price point is 10 mil in market cap. So I just think it's very possible, and I'll show you some of the reasons here. So you've got a couple of memes. Obviously Snek, if you take a look here, 450 mil in market cap. The peak was around 600, let's call it, okay? And then you have Hosky token, which has gone nuts. So this thing is at an 86 mil market cap. So I missed out on this. Comment down below. Did you get in on this? You guys are awesome if you guys got in on this. So I think that's just fantastic. So I don't have any of these. What do I have? I have a little bit of fun stuff in this particular wallet. I got a bit of ADA. I got some Charles. So here's another one. It's Charles. So Charles Hoskinson, Charles. I like it. I got this a while ago. I just had it in my wallet. So, I think I picked up like $5-10 worth like a long time ago. And I just found out that it's worth like 100 ADA. So I'm just going to let this ride. This, again, could get to 5-10 mil in market cap. It could. But also expect the opposite. So do not take this seriously. This stuff will pump and dump fast. I really just want your thoughts. Which one do you guys think will do well out of all these memes? Me personally, I like Snek, kind of, assuming Bitcoin has another leg up, assuming Cardano continues to move forward, get to new all-time highs potentially. Snek should hit $1 billion in market cap. If that happens, Baby Snek could get anywhere from 40 to 50 mil in market cap. So you could see this thing go nuts. I mean, you're already starting to see it here. Again, be wary. This stuff can crash. This is not financial advice. There's Chad here. This one could go nuts. But my top ones are going to be Snek, Baby Snek, and I kind of like Charles. I just think it's funny. I think it hits on the meme. Hosky's great too, but it's already gotten up to like 80 mil in market cap, which is crazy. So if you guys were in this, unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I just want to share that bit of news with you guys. We're going to do some other videos as well. A lot going on. But yeah, let me know, what are your top meme coins that you like right now on ADA? And with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. Also, actually, guys, Tangem does have a sale. Might as well send it. They have a buy one, get one half off. So why wouldn't you do that? Get a Tangem ring set, get one half off. So it's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. So cheers, everybody.